Hi everyone, welcome to Solve Pages YouTube channel. Today we'll see how to fix the orphan users. So before you're going to fix the orphan users, let's discuss what are the orphan users. So orphan user is like whenever we have a database and the database users, so every user should have an associated login. For example, I have a test database here. Here I can see there are some users here like admin, admin1, admin2, Johnny. These are the users we have. And if you go to this logins here you can see the same logins. So if I delete any one of the login here which is associated with the test user, then we can see the orphan users. So let's check the orphan users for test database. So now we don't have any orphan users, right? What if I delete any one of the login here which are associated with the test database? Now we can see the orphan user. See, because there is no associated login for the username. Okay, so no one gonna delete the login from the server, right? But when we can see the orphan users. So whenever we do any DB refresh activity, like we take a backup from one server and we restore it in another server, only users will be replicated, but logins not, right? So that is the case we see this orphan users. Okay, so let me take a backup of this test database and restore it in another server so that we will see the orphan users. I'm just taking a backup. The same backup I'm going to restore in another server. Okay, so I just restored this test database from node 1 to node 2. So let's see the orphan users here. So now we can see multiple orphan users here because we don't have associated logins here. See, we don't have these logins here. So that's why we are seeing orphan users here. So let me see what are the ways we have to fix the orphan users. So when login doesn't exist, we have these three methods. One is sp underscore help underscore rev login. So we have to run this query in a source server and we have to get this login details and we have to execute the same queries in the destination server. This is the first one. So we have to connect to the source server, which is node 1. So here we have to check for any one of the users. So let's say admin, this one, first one. Just copy this script so that it will recreate this login in the node 2. So already we have a orphan user or admin, right? Admin1. Okay. So let me execute this one. Now check for the orphan users again. See, we don't have this admin1 as a orphan user because it is fixed already because we have created a login called admin1. If you refresh, you can see the admin login here. So we have a admin1 login. So the first method is we have to get the login script from the source server using sp underscore change underscore the sp underscore help underscore rev login. So this is the first method we have, this one. And the second one, we have to create a login and we have to map the user. So first we have to create a associated login. So now we'll create a login for admin 1. Sorry, admin 1 is already fixed, right? So admin. So this one, we have to copy this and we have to connect to node 2. We are in node 2. So when I create a login, password is too short. So I've created a login called admin. So I've created login. Now we'll see the orphan user report. Still I can see admin as an orphan user. Why we'll see this admin as an orphan user still, even though we have a login? Because if I create a login here, it will create with a different SID. I'll check that also. Let me check that. So this is the reason. So even though I have created a login with the name admin, I can see different SIDs. So that's why still we can see admin as a orphan user. So after I create it, we have to map the user. So first I created a login, then I'm just mapping this login with the username. What is the username? Admin, login name, admin. So now we'll see report. See admin is removed. So if you check the same query, now you can see the same SIDs. So the second one, you have to create a login and you have to map the user. And the third one, so whenever you create a login, you create with the same SID. So in the second one, you have created a login and you have mapped with the user. The third one, whenever you create a login, you just create that login with the same SID. So for that, let me check this report again. So let's take admin 2 and we'll create a login with the same SID. So now I'm going to create a login admin 2 with this SID. So now I'll check the report again. See, admin 2 is fixed. So these are the three ways we have to fix the orphan users whenever the login doesn't exist. I'm going to share the scripts, whatever the scripts I'm using this video. I'm just going to share them in the description. I just try it. In the next video, we'll see how to fix the orphan users when login exists. Thanks for watching.